morning, everybody. Chippy Whippy here. It's November the 5th, Mummy and Daddy tells me. They tell me it's got something to do with being bonfire night. Well, they said there's going to be lots of bangs. Might be more bangs than there was last night and Saturday night. Well, I can tell you this, right? I ain't scared of them. I ain't scared of nothing, me. But poor old Lucy Lou. Lucy Lou was very scared. Her was shaking like a leaf, her was. And Mummy and Daddy had to go and get a jumper and put it on her and then put her underneath the blanket so that she was all cuddly and dark. I didn't like it one bit. I couldn't even go near her, wasn't having none of it. I mean, I would have held her paw or something just to make her feel a little bit better, but no, I wasn't having none of it. Anyway, everybody out there, just stay safe, because Mummy and Daddy say that they can be very, very dangerous. They go fireworks. Very dangerous. Pretty, but dangerous. So just be careful out there, people. Chippy Whippy, signing